Ranking in Google as a real estate agency is really hard. It's why my client had 0 people landing in their pages showing the homes. But boom, now they're getting over 600 a month. And it's thanks to this trick right here. Let me show you. My client offered real estate services, but only to people who wanted to invest in homes. So we knew we couldn't go for the generic home for sale keywords because they're non-investors searching that. And honestly, it's just impossible to rank there. Look at this. So somehow we had to find the keywords that investors searched when they wanted to buy property. Because I'm not a property expert, I'm just a simple SEO, I had to find a way to get them. So I knew that probably 80 to 90% of the keywords that people search when they want to buy a home use this set of words. And another trigger is this word here. So I added it as an include. So now I saw all the keywords in the world that contained the keywords I've added. But because there were too many and I cannot just scroll through all of them, I exported all these keywords. And then I used this simple prompt that is going to tokenize all these keywords. This means that ChatGPT is going to look at all those keywords and single them out into unique words. But this is the crucial thing that's going to help. As well as doing that, is going to count the frequency of times that each word has been mentioned within my set of keywords. So I'll be able to see which words are the most popular within all the thousands of keywords I exported. And now it was easier to look at these single words and identify which are the ones that investors could be searching. For example, these ones here tell me contextually that maybe investors are using these words. Because if you just want to buy a home, you wouldn't search Airbnb for sale, right? That's an investor who's searching that. So once we identify these investor keywords, we had to cross-check them to see if people search them with the location that my client offers services in. So each way of searching multiplied by each location my client offered meant that we could create thousands of pages in bulk. So our army of pages was ready to go, but we needed one more thing. Obviously, these pages had to be optimized. So the first thing was to actually show the properties that my client offers. Then we added an optimized SEO title and description and a main title. And finally, we added 3 things that would offer value. A unique tip from my client written there, so the page has unique text and he offers value, as well as a table giving information about the returns you could get as an investor if you buy a property of that type in that area. And internal linking carousels that link to other pages of the same strategy. This is great for SEO, but also users, if they scroll all the way down, they can go to other pages. So now you know all the tricks that SEOs have to do to bypass the big mega websites and rank over them like we're doing now. If you want this done in your real estate website, go to my link in bio and you can check my 4 plans and we can have a call about it. Now is your turn. Let's go.